Hello students, I welcome you all to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. In this lecture, we will discuss about intellectual property rights. What is intellectual property rights? Before we discuss that, we will discuss some introductory things. People become aware about the intellectual property after the battle of Apple versus Samsung. And in India, government has taken initiative and give importance to intellectual property, and as a result people become aware about the intellectual property, especially business entities, and it is very much important for entrepreneur and for startup to know about the intellectual property. So let's start. What is intellectual property? World Intellectual Property Organization, which is known as WIPO, global body, specialized global body of United Nations, define intellectual property in this way. Intellectual property refers to creation of the mind, invention, literary and artistic works, and symbols, names, images and design used in commerce. It's intellectual property. In a very common language, intellectual property is an intangible creation of the human mind, usually expressed or translated into a tangible form that is assigned certain rights of property. For example, an author's copyright on the books or article, a distinctive logo design representing a soft drink company, unique design elements of a website or a patent on a process of manufacture chewing gum, etc. Right now we have discussed about intellectual property. Now here we will discuss about intellectual property rights. So intellectual property rights can be defined as the rights given to people over the creation of their minds. They usually give the creators an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. Categories of intellectual property. Now we can classify intellectual property in a different part or different categories. Mainly it is classified in two parts. One is inventive or a creative activities, which includes patent, utility models, industrial design, copyright, etc. And second one is IPR that offer information to consumer, and there are trademark and geographical indication. For easy understanding, we can classify intellectual property in another two parts, which are known as industrial property and the copyright. Now what is industrial property? Which includes invention like patents, trademark, industrial design and geographical indication of sources. Now what is copyright? The copyright, which includes literary and artistic works such as novels, poems and plays, films, musical works, artistic work such as drawing, painting, photographs and sculpture, and architecture design, etc. So these are some example of copyright. Intellectual property shall includes the right relating to literary, artistic and scientific work, performance of performing artist, invention in all fields of human endeavor, scientific discoveries, industrial design, trademark, service mark and etc. These are some examples. Thank you very much.